Imagine making over $10,000 in just 30 days with zero skills. Sounds impossible, right? I'm about to show you exactly how. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about how to make money online, stick around because I'm going to reveal the exact strategies I used and how you can start doing the same, even if you feel like you have no marketable skills. So, it's important that you watch this video from start to finish, as I'm going to cover everything in detail. Now, before we start, if you're new here, welcome to Hustler's Tactics, where I share proven ways to make money online. I test out strategies, and when they work, I bring them straight to you so you can replicate the results yourself. Now we're going to be making this money with Fiverr. Most of you know what Fiverr is, but if it is your first time hearing about it, Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer services, known as gigs, across various categories such as graphic design, digital marketing, writing, video editing, programming, and more. It allows businesses and individuals to hire professionals for specific tasks, typically at an affordable rate. Freelancers post their services while clients or buyers browse and purchase those services to meet their project needs. You can earn up to $5,000 weekly on Fiverr without any skills. The way to do that is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an online business model where individuals promote products or services from a company or seller in exchange for a commission. To make money without having any skills, you'll recommend services offered by others. To get started, head over to ChatGPT and ask for a list of 20 digital marketing services that are in demand by online businesses and companies. If you already know the trending services you want to promote, you can skip this step. Next, go to Fiverr and search for the service you've chosen. For example, let's choose growing Instagram accounts. You'll see multiple gigs from different sellers. Choose the best one by checking the ratings and reviews. Pick the one with the best feedback. Now that you've selected a gig, it's time to join the Fiverr affiliate program. Open a new tab, go to Fiverr, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click on Affiliates. Here, you'll create your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on Join Now and fill in your details, including name, email, username, password, and country. For account type, select Private. You'll also be asked if you have a main traffic source. Choose Yes and select the relevant traffic source, then click Next. Once you see the congratulations message, your Fiverr affiliate account is ready. Click Start Doing, and it will take you to your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Here, you can see your commissions, number of clicks, click-through rate, CTR, registrations, and first-time buyers. Initially, everything will show 0. Next, go to Marketing Tools on the left-hand side and click on Default and Deep Links. This is where your affiliate links will be generated. To create your affiliate link, go to the seller's page you previously selected and copy the URL, everything before the question mark. Return to the Default and Deep Links page, click on Deep Links, paste the URL, and click Save. Your affiliate link is now created. The Fiverr CPA link is your affiliate link. Whenever someone makes a purchase using your link, you'll earn a commission ranging from $15 to $150. How to drive traffic to your Fiverr affiliate links. There are two main ways to promote your affiliate links. The first one is answering questions on Kora. Kora is a platform where millions of people ask questions. To start, sign up with your email and then click on Add Question. For example, you could ask, where can I hire the best Instagram growth expert? After adding your question, copy the URL of the question and save it. Now log out of Kora. Use a different email to create a new account and paste the copied link into a new tab to view your question. Click Answer and go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate an answer to the question, making sure to include a call to action like this. I know someone on Fiverr who is experienced in growing Instagram accounts. Consult them for free by clicking on this link. ChatGPT will generate the answer for you. Copy the answer and paste it under your Kora question. At the end of the answer, insert your Fiverr affiliate link where appropriate. Then post your answer. The second method is using the Medium platform. Medium is a platform where you can write articles for free and have a lot of people viewing your article. Sign up on medium.com and write an article related to the service you're promoting. Use ChatGPT to help you craft the article. Once done, insert your Fiverr affiliate link in the article. Make sure to add a disclaimer such as, Disclaimer: this article contains affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Add an image and then publish your article. Whenever someone clicks your affiliate link in your Kora answer or Medium article and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Stay consistent with this strategy and you'll start seeing earnings. If you would like to know how to make $1,000 daily with affiliate marketing, check out the link in the description below for the free course. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and take care.